Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be pumping out a couple of videos. I got a lot of new stuff that I want to share with you guys. This one, it's gonna be a little different. We're gonna do like a unboxing and installation video of the Gorilla Guard wheel locks. And the reason for this video is I've been hearing a lot of people getting their stock rims stolen in my area. I live in Northern California, and you'd be surprised how many people are getting their rims stolen every week. They're going after all kinds of cars. It looks like right now they're mainly going after Hondas and the Honda Accord Sports and the Challengers, or some of the nicer SRT wheels and stuff like that. I'm not sure if these people just don't have any wheel locks at all, or if they don't even have the factory wheel locks, or what's going on. But I'd rather not risk it. I have a Chevy Impala, and mine has the nice 19-inch wheels with the midnight package that I have on it. So I'd rather be safe than sorry and install some nice wheel locks. I went with the Gorilla Guards because they seem to offer the most protection, because I watched a lot of videos of how thieves will actually try to shove a bigger, how could I say this, a key onto your lug, and it'll just turn. So the thing about these Gorilla locks is that they have two steps or two phases to it. So the internal portion, which I'll show you in a sec, is the part that the key slips onto, and then the outer ring, it's free spinning. So even if they were to shove a bigger bolt or lug on there, or key I should say, then these won't come off. They won't turn because this thing is just free spinning. So the actual lock itself will not come off. I've already opened the package, and I removed a sticker that comes inside just because I don't want to share the ID, but I will show you guys what it looks like. I'll just cover up the ID. So just let's go around the box, and it says here, tough hardened steel construction, triple chrome plated for long lasting durability, new and easy guide key, registered to owner key code. Again, it's the Gorilla ones, and these are vehicle specific. You got to find the right size, and mine just happened to be 14mm by 1.5. The instructions here says remove one lug nut from each wheel, clean the studs with a wire brush if any rust is present, install one Gorilla Guard lock on each wheel, threading it into place by hand, tighten wheel locks by using the easy guide key. For best results, always use a torque wrench and a socket to tighten according to the specifications in your vehicle's owner manual. And it says the wheel locks should be the last lug nut installed on each wheel and the first to be removed. Use of an impact wrench may cause damage to the lock or key. Check locks after driving 25 miles and driving, I should say, and retorque as needed. In some cases, wheels may need balancing after installation. I'm not entirely sure about the whole rebalancing thing, but I have heard that you kind of need to just check the torque after a few miles of driving. Some of the vibrations may loosen it a bit. So let's just go ahead and get right in here. Again, I already opened this to remove the sticker. So here they are. Here's the design that I was talking about. So they have the internal keyed portion, and again, each and every one of them is different. Looks like some solid manufacturing here. And I tried to turn it earlier. It's a little tough to turn the outer ring, but it is possible. It's just a little tough, so I guess that's cool. And the key, it doesn't just slip on any which way. You see how it doesn't slide in until it meets the keyed portion. So that's kind of cool. I know most of the wheel locks that you can get at your standard run-of-the-mill rim shop, I don't even know if they're different or what's up, but they just slide right in on the first try, and these ones you kind of have to move it around and get it to the right portion, to the right heat slot. So that's the wheel locks, and let me show you guys the key information. So here's the sticker that comes with it. It says replacement information for your wheel lock key. To purchase an additional key, send your name, address, phone number, and wheel lock key registration number with $15 to Gorilla Automotive Products, P.O. Box 58747, Los Angeles. Price includes shipping within the U.S. Outside the U.S., contact Gorilla. And it shows your wheel lock registration. And it says here to attach this label to the inside of the glove box, which I may or may not do. I might just write the key down somewhere and keep it somewhere in my computer or on the cloud. So yeah, there were really a couple wheel lock options, but these were the highly reviewed ones, and they're not all that expensive. Let me pull up my Amazon order here. That's a cool thing. They were on Prime. $16.47. So for under $17, you get some premium wheel locks. Well, I don't know about premium, but they're really highly reviewed. 4.5 stars with 916 customer reviews. That's only on Amazon. I don't know where else they sell these, but they seem to be highly reviewed. I've seen a couple of videos on these, and everyone seems to like them really well. I'm going to be ordering a set for my wife's car and maybe doing an install video on that, depending if you guys like the content, or maybe, I don't know if it's the same thing. Maybe I might not do it. But the point here is under 17 bucks to protect your wheels. And again, some of these stock wheels, you may not think about it right away, but they're expensive. You know, a set of brand new, just the rims, can cost upwards of $2,000 depending on your model. Especially some of those SRT cars, you know, the Hellcats and the Trackhawk and all that good stuff. They come with pretty expensive wheels, and if you just buy the rims, you're looking at $2 to $3 grand, and that's not including tires. You know, a set of decent tires, you know, costs you anywhere from $700 to $900. So just think about it. $17 to protect that, I'd go with $17 any day than having to shell out a couple thousand, or having to put some little ugly dummy tires on there until you can save up some money. So that's just me. I'm going to be installing these in the next scene here that you'll see, and hopefully everything goes well with the install. I don't see why not. The only thing that does concern me is the overall diameter of this, but I think it should be fine. Anyway, let's jump to installing these. Alright guys, so we're here in the garage. Part 2 of the video. Excuse me if it's a little echoey in here, but basically all you want to do is remove one of your lugs. It helps if you have a breaker bar. So we're just going to remove this one, set that off to the side. Then grab one of your wheel locks with the key, put that sucker right in there, and then you're going to torque this down to your manufacturer's recommended specifications. And which mine happens to be about 100 foot-pounds. And there it is. Let's give it one more check. That's it. Fits nice and flush. The only aesthetic difference is that, of course, you can tell it's a wheel lock. But hey, that way they know. That way they know that you got locks on your wheels and they're not taking them. So it's that simple, guys. Again, $17 investment to protect your wheels. And that's it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to
Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.